Follow the Leaders. Level B. By Lily Ross. Illustrated by David Spencer. I am Kalani. I went to school. Leaders teach us. Leaders help make rules. Teachers are leaders. Who are your teachers? Class leaders are leaders. Who are your class leaders? Principals are leaders. Who is your principal? Coaches are leaders. Who are your coaches? Mayors are leaders. Who is your mayor? Governors are leaders. Who is your governor? Presidents and vice presidents are leaders. Who is your president? Who is your vice president? Parents and grandparents are leaders. Who are your family leaders? Leaders help make rules. Who are some leaders you know? The end.